Could you remind us, remind the public of cases at the top of your mind, incidents at the top of your mind that had we had this in those moments, how different things could have turned out?
Yes, Robbie. But to start with, if you remember, what really triggered this public demand, yung case ni Kian, remember? I guess that was in 2017.
Yes.
That proved that if there was a recording, then the facts of the case can be established without any contradiction. Tapos, nag-umpisa yan, March 2019. Alam mo, 14 farmers sa Negros napatay. Sa search to, hindi arrest ha. Tapos yung sila IC Salen, kasamahan nyo sa profession, yung sa Manila Today. Yung Human Rights Day 7, no? Kasama din yan. At tapos si Ina Nasino, na-cover din yan. Yung namatay yung sanggol, naalala nyo? Yung sa Manila. Kasama po yan sa search at na-arrest siya. Tapos may listahan ako itong tumandok. Ito, kaka-quash lang ng search warrant, no? Na balitaan nyo na siguro. Yung siyam na naman na namatay doon sa tumandok. And then, ang pinakahuli, yung tawag ng mga kliyente namin na Bloody Sunday, March 7 of last year. 9 na naman. So, at least doon sa 5 instances na yun, alam nyo, 32 yung napatay. So, yan yung Tapos nagkakaroon ng dispute. O ano ba? Nanlaban ba? Bakit sabi ni Dr. Portod, puro sa dibdib ang tama, di ba? Nabasa natin yan. So, doon yun ang context nito, bakit umaksyon ang Korte Suprema, as a matter of fact, 139 lawyers, no, of different persuasions, law professors, wrote the Supreme Court March 22 of this year, asking for these specific reforms and giving these specific recommendations because of these incidents po.
Okay.
Are you satisfied with what they came up with?
Yes, certainly. In principle and generally, we are very, very happy and relieved, as a matter of fact, no? Because this is borne by the struggle and experience, no? And while not all our recommendations were incorporated, and then I already mentioned that there are potential areas of controversy or even circumvention, for that matter, no? Or loopholes or gray areas. By and large, yes, this is a big step to protect rights, and dapat makita din yung part ng pulis to also protect them para ma-assert nila wala namang kung ginawang kalokohan. So it works both ways. So we are satisfied as it is, no? But although there are still certain provisions that we wish would have been incorporated, for instance, very quickly. Why do you have to implement a search warrant at 2 o'clock in the morning? When you could possibly do that during daytime, when the subject of the search can have access to lawyers, di ba? Bigla na lang this oras ng gabi, darating sila ng 1:00 ng madaling araw, pero ang search gagawin 3:00 kasi meron na nauna sa kanila. So, yung mga ganyan. Tapos, sa ibang bansa, kasama yung DA, no? Yung district attorney, kung napansin nyo, pag may mga operation ng police, to ensure na walang irregularidad. At tapos, dun sa other aspect na yung territorial jurisdiction, okay na sa amin yun. May nabalik dun sa old rule na hindi pwede yung Cebu sa-search dun sa Bacolod, Manila magsa-search sa Tumandok. Pero ang recommendation namin sana, halimbawa, concretely, National Capital Judicial Region, di lahat ng city natin. Mag-apply ka pa sa Manila, pwedeng ma-serve sa Muntinlupa, no? Or Marikina, no? Pero ang gusto namin, bakit ka lalayo? Bakit hindi doon sa Karatig? Bakit hindi sa Quezon City or San Juan or yung ano ba yung Karatig? But anyway, by and large, we're finding it. It's a big step, actually.
But attorney, of course, the devil will be in the implementation. What are your biggest concerns in terms of actual use of the cameras?
Oo, yung operationalization, no?
Yes.
Yan talaga, yung on the ground. Naghahanay kami at least 7, no? Okay. Una, yung number. Nabanggitan ni Luchito Oo. Paano kung 30 yung sumugod? Sabay-sabay. Ganun ang karanasan namin, ha? Sabay-sabay. Aakyat, papasok, ang gulo-gulo. 2 lang yung mandatory, di ba? Oo. Pangalawa, nabanggit na rin kanina, sino magsusuot? Yung magsiserve ba ng warrant? Yung team leader ba? Yung backup ba? Yung advance team ba, di ba? Subjective, di ba? Sasabihin ng pulis, nasa amin diskarte yan. May problema doon. Pangatlo, ito medyo technical, no? Kasi medyo nag-research ako nung gano'ng katagal ba talaga ang battery life? 8 hours yung sinabi. Pero may nakita ko, pero I'm not a techie, no? Pero may nakita ko, may 9, may 14, may 17 hours. Pero nonetheless, kahit 8, sana may backup, di ba? Pag alam na patapos na yung 8, ikaw na. Ikaw na yung susunod para masasalo yung gap, walang gap. And then, ito medyo mas malaking terrain of controversy or dispute. When do you actually activate? Di ba? Kasi sa experience namin, 2 teams yan. Isang mauuna, incognito, tapos isang official.
Yung may magbibigay.
Oo, tapos may pangatlo pa nga, yung susundo sa barangay. So lalabas, 2:00 yung search, pero meron palang 1:00 na palang. Umakyat na, pinababa na yung mga uhuli, pinadapa na at pinaharap na sa wall. And then yung malfunction, ay nako. Sabi ni General, meron yatang capacity for streaming, pero hindi lahat no? Paano ko sabihin, nakalimutan namin yun, ano ba yan, sa Taranta? Biglang nag-lobat, i-charge namin kanina yan. Yung mga ganung mga bagay, malfunction. And then, yung medyo maraming, maraming instances na hala yung korte, very reasonable naman. Pero may mga concerns din kami na halimbawa dun sa pag-uusap daw sa di umano confidential agent. Alam nyo, sa kadalasan, yun ang experience namin, yung confidential agent, fictitious. Naging basis nga yan ng quassion na ibang arrest kasi nung tinanong sa barangay, meron ba itong si XYZ dyan sa barangay? Wala.
So ano gusto nyo mangyari doon? Halimbawa,
syempre,
dapat video rin yun.
Dapat kailangan ma-establish na talagang yung confidential agent ay tunay, no? Sabihin, huwag gamiting dahilan. Yan naman ang point namin. Of course, syempre, we will give the benefit of the doubt, may presumption. Pero ang sinasabi lang namin, we anticipate based on abundant experience. In fact, gumamit ang court ng reasonable grounds, no? Subjective yan, amorphous, no? Napag-usapan nyo na kanina, medyo amorphous, no? What is reasonable? So, ang naman namin dyan, nire-raise lang naman namin yan. So, it's not a perfect document, but by and large, generally, it is a most welcome advancement for the protection of rights and also the protection of our police officers. In that, we don't want to tie the hands of our police officers, not at all.
Yeah.
In the legal, legitimate operations, not at all. We want to be very clear about that. We just want to ensure that rights are protected and that the performance of official duty is in fact followed.